Kashmir after terrorists attacked forces. This is one of the biggest attacks in outskirts of Srinagar. After Letpora attack in 2019, the area has been cordoned off and further search operations are underway. Also reports coming in. Zeenat sharing all of those details. Our Kashmir Bureau Chief says 7 CRPF Jawans have also been injured in this attack. 2 CRPF Jawans unfortunately have been martyred. One of the biggest attack in outskirts of Srinagar after Letpora attack in 2019. Terrorists fired upon joint party of CRPF. This happened in Pampur. Zeenat, my colleague, our Kashmir Bureau Chief, is joining us with more details. Zeenat, tell us more. Unfortunately, 2 of our brave hearts have lost their lives.
Oh yes, absolutely, Christine. This is one of the biggest attacks that the outskirts of Srinagar has witnessed after Letpora attack on February 14, 2019. In fact, this was the joint Naka party that was deployed on the Skandzal, Pampur outskirts of Srinagar, where the terrorists fired upon the Naka party, and in the attack, the CRPF personnel got injured. In fact, 2 of them have succumbed to the injuries, and more reinforcement have been rushed to the spot. As my VJ Mubashir is showing to the visuals on ground, that how the complete traffic has been halted on the highway, because this is the national highway that connects you to Jammu and other parts of the Kashmir Valley. Simultaneously, you can see the vehicles of the CRPF that have been stationed here, and the movement, the civilian traffic is not allowed from this very point. Vijay is showing you the visuals on ground. This is the track that takes you to the spot where the attack was carried by, because somewhere nearby, just 10 days before, there was another attack carried by the terrorists on CRPF. That time the terrorists managed to escape from the spot, but it seems this time, because the exchange of fire between the security forces and terrorists continued for some 15 to 18 minutes, and the reports are coming in that the terrorists would fire upon the CRPF of 110 battalion. They have been trapped. We need to see that whether the contact with the hiding terrorists will be established, or this time again they will manage. But as of now, we are seeing the way the security has been completely beefed up in the entire area, and also we are also seeing that many Naka points have been established, not only in Srinagar city but also at other parts of the valley. So far, 2 CRPF personnel have succumbed to the injuries. They died in the line of duty, and this is the place that takes you to the attack spot, where this time the traffic as well as the civilian movement and the media is not being allowed by the security forces to move forward. But yes, one of the biggest attacks that have been carried by the terrorists in the outskirts of Srinagar. Yes, Christine.
Absolutely. Many thanks for that update, Zeenat. Unfortunately, we've lost 2 of our brave hearts. 7 CRPF Jawans who've sustained injuries have been rushed to the hospital. This attack took place at Pampur bypass. Search operations are also underway. The area has been cordoned off. Thank you, Zeenat.